off to a picnic. Anna is planning the perfect picnic for her friends. A picnic calls for lots of food, plates, forks, and spoons. To make sure she has enough, Anna might count them in groups of tens and ones. Tick the correct answer by grouping numbers as tens and ones.
Tick the correct answer by grouping numbers as tens and ones. The number 26 is made up of 2 tens and 6 ones. The number 44 is made up of 4 tens and 4 ones. The number 32 is made up of 3 tens and 2 ones. The number 79 is made up of 7 tens and 9 ones. The number 50 is made up of 5 tens and 0 ones.
Okay, let's check. Amazing! Place in race. To be the best racer, Lightning McQueen needs to place first in every race. Place values are important when it comes to numbers, just like it is with racing. Tick the correct number based on the instructions provided.
Tick the correct number based on the instructions provided. The number that has exactly 8 ones, 18. The number that has exactly 2 ones, 12. The number that has exactly 6 tens, 61. The number that has exactly 5 tens, 54. The number that has exactly 7 tens, 79. The number that has exactly 9 ones, 89.
Okay, let's check. You did it! Oh, great job! Lightning McQueen has been in a lot of races. During a race, how can he keep an eye on the number of laps he has finished and the number of laps that he needs to complete? Circle the correct numbers based on the instructions provided. Keep in mind, there might be more than one right answer here.
Circle the correct numbers based on the instructions provided. The numbers that have exactly 6 tens, 65, 62, 'The numbers that have exactly 5 tens, 51, 52, 53. The numbers that have exactly 9 tens, 95, 91. The numbers that have exactly 4 ones, 64, 34, the numbers that have exactly 7 ones. 67, 97,
'Alright, let's check. Good job! In Japan, Lightning McQueen is going to Japan to participate in the Transcontinental Race of Champions. Take the path that has numbers in ascending order, starting from 35.
Take the path that has numbers in ascending order starting from 35. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44,
Correct answers. T-Rock. A large number of race cars are participating in the Transcontinental Race of Champions. To keep track of our favorite racer, we need to know our numbers well. Check the correct answer to complete the series.
Pick the correct answer to complete the series. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Alright, let's check. Great job! Of T-Rock. A large number of race cars are participating in the Transcontinental Race of Champions. To keep track of our favorite racer, we need to know our numbers well. Check the correct answer to complete the series.
44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Amazing! Moscow. Lightning McQueen and the other racers are ready to begin the T-Rock race at Moscow. To keep track of the laps they complete, they need to know all about numbers. Match the following by comparing numbers.
Match the following by comparing numbers. After 76, 77. Before 44, 43. Between 54 and 56, 55. Between 61 and 66, 65. After 54, 55. Before 34, 33. Between 40 and 42, 41. Between 48 and 51, 50.
Okay, let's check. Great job! Racer record! Lightning McQueen is finishing up on a practice session. He needs to complete the last set of laps in record time. Let's see if we can keep count of his laps. Join the dots in the increasing order of numbers from 21 to 30.
Join the dots in the increasing order of numbers from 21 to 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
'Okay, let's check. Super duper! The Racerama series is beginning. Many cars will be taking part in the competition. Let's see if we can keep track of the number of racers. Tick the correct answer to complete the sequence.
Pick the correct answer to complete the sequence. 31, 32, 33, 34, 54, 55, 56, 57, 70, 71, 72, 73, 11, 12, 13, 14, 48, 49, 50, 51.
Alright, let's check. Great job! On track. The Racerama series is beginning. Many cars will be taking part in the competition. Let's see if we can keep track of the number of racers. Tick the set of numbers that are in ascending order.
Pick the set of numbers that are in ascending order. 68, 69, 70, 71. 90, 91, 92, 93. 87, 78, 79, 80. 71, 72, 73, 74.